everybody, I'm Tyler Gregory and I'm here at Discover Kia to introduce you all to the brand new Kia K5. This vehicle is replacing the outgoing Optima and it's coming standard with a slew of stuff, which I'm not going to go into at all. But it's got blind spot detection, heated seats, all-wheel drive, and a wonderful 1.6 turbo engine with 180 horsepower. This vehicle has been receiving rave reviews and today we're going to introduce you to it. We're in the GT line model, which has got the 1.6 turbo engine. One of my favorite things about this vehicle, and about a lot of the Kia vehicles, is the different drive modes we offer that change your power steering and your tuning of your transmission. So we're going to switch it into sport mode for a minute and just test it out. We are not going to be getting up to top speed here as we're in a public place, and I don't want to knock my videographer over. Let's see how it looks. And no, I did not flatline the gas there. This car handles so smooth and so nice. It is just a dream to drive. I am super excited for when the GT model comes out, as it's got the 2.5 turbo engine with 290 horsepower. Something we're very excited for here at Kia. Let's get back to the shop.